Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to make Canva slides feel just like your favorite PowerPoint decks. Click Create, then select Presentation for this tutorial. Next, go to the Templates tab and choose a template for your demo. Select this template and click Apply to use it on all 11 pages in Canva. We have pre-made templates and designs, similar to PowerPoint. Unlike PowerPoint, which only offers cover templates, here you get additional design options. Access templates and all necessary PowerPoint elements here. Use the Overview section to navigate, and edit the text details to add your own description. In Canva, each slide or page has preset templates ready for you to use. Select a template to quickly design your content. Add a transition by hovering between the pages. This machine move acts like PowerPoint's morph transition. Simply add an element to enable the effect. Copy the element from your first page to the second. Then, add a motion move effect and adjust the element size to create a growing animation. Use transitions like glow or white color. Adjust the direction as needed. To change speed, increase the duration to slow it down or decrease the duration to speed it up. You can also apply shrinking effects for variety. Customize each setting to suit your video style. You can set the direction for each transition. Here, set the duration to 1 second. Click Apply to all pages to use the same transition. You can also change the direction individually for each transition. This creates a collage effect. To select all pages, click the first page, hold Shift, then click the last page. This selects every page in the sequence for editing or applying changes. Edit the timing for all slides by entering 1.7 or 1.8 seconds and pressing Enter. This sets each slide's duration to 1.8 or 1.9 seconds. For example, one slide is set to 1.5 seconds. These clips are 1.8 seconds long, so the video will use this duration when played. To change the background color, click it while holding Shift. Then click the color area to edit. You can modify the background color successfully by selecting and adjusting the specific color you want to change. This design uses a single background for every transition or page. You can also go to Elements, then search for images and animations to enhance your design. That's how you use these features in your project. In Canva, click Share, then Download. Select Microsoft PowerPoint, ensure all pages are selected, and click Download to save your presentation. Now you can design presentations in Canva just like PowerPoint. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.